Bruh. Okay, I think I'm in focus. Honestly, this is good now. Anyways, this is first impressions of this makeup I bought. I have no video ideas, so this is what we're gonna do. Yeah. So I bought this Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the shade Golden. But yeah, this is my first time buying a high-end foundation, so I thought I would do a first impressions, like try it on with me kind of thing, I guess. Okay, I guess we just put it on. I already primed my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully it's my color. This is a medium to full coverage. Kind of smells like Play-Doh. This lighting is not good for you guys to see, but I will let you guys see at the end. I'll do in close-ups so you guys can see all my imperfections. Okay, so far it's literally light coverage. Oh my god. I did not pay $40 for medium, for light coverage. But it looks good on the skin. It really looks good. Like, I'm glowing, kind of. Okay, let's do another pump because I don't know. Maybe this is a fuller pump. The first pump was kind of like full of air. Let's try again. I see the full coverage, guys. Or maybe I put too much. Anyways. Okay. This foundation kind of cakey, or maybe I put too much, and it's not getting this pimple. Do you guys see? I have a pimple there. It's out of focus, but you guys can still see the pimple. Let me try to cover that up. So it definitely is my color. I didn't even say, like, it. This looks like my skin color, so can you guys even tell the difference? Yeah, like I said, this lighting is not that good. I still have some of the makeup left, so I'm gonna just use the rest, even though I don't really need it. Like, I feel like one pump was enough, but let's see. But yeah, okay, so this is definitely a medium coverage because that pimple is still alive. It's there. It wants to say hi. I'm going to just use the rest of the foundation I have on that pimple. And we'll hope for the best. We'll go on with concealer later. Okay, this might be like a little bit darker than my actual like neck, so we gotta blend that shiz down. Blend. Get the neck, ladies. Okay, that's enough. If I literally did anything more, I would literally look like a cakey mess, even though I am gonna look like a cakey mess at the end of this. But yeah, my first impressions. Looks good. I like it. It's my color. Blends well. Is it medium to full coverage? I mean, I did like 1.5 pumps and it still looks pretty medium coverage to me. Not full. I don't know how many pumps you have to do to get medium, but I mean to get full. But here we are. This is it. I'll show you at the end how it looks like up close. But it looks pretty good. I mean, let's just show you guys right now. Gotta get close. Okay, y'all see that? Y'all can still see that. Ooh. Okay, yeah. When I bought this foundation, I also bought I went on a mini shopping spree because I had time to myself and I was alone and I had no one to hang out with, so I went to the mall and I freaking buried my sorrows in makeup. So I'm gonna also do a first impressions on these 2 other products that I got from Ulta. This was a free sample. Ulta has a lot of buy anything and get a free sample or something. So I always buy a cheap little thing. I bought this lip gloss in the shade Utopia by their Ulta Beauty thing. It's a lip plumping one. It's very hollow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna show you guys that later in the video. And I'm also gonna use this French Vanilla Baked Highlighter from Laura Geller that I got for free. And I think that's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna swap this real quick for you. Not swap, put it on. This is not what I'm wearing, but I mean, might as well just try it on right now. But yeah, let's try this on. It's like a holographic lip. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I don't like the applicator. It's weird. It's like a little point of bristles, but they're like rough. Okay, so it's literally a lip plumping, I guess, transforming top coat. That's what it's called. The shade Utopia. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's holographic. It has holographic pink and purple sparkles. I don't know if you can tell on my lips, but I will zoom in on that later. So yeah, so far, okay, I didn't feel the lip plumping aspect to it, but now I do. It kind of like feels like minty. But now we're gonna not swatch, but put on this Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in French Vanilla. Oh, it has like a little mirror. This does not look like highlighter. This is like a powder to like set your makeup with. How is this highlighting? And this brush is more not a highlighting brush, but maybe a powder. I don't know. It's really fluffy and I like it. And so we're gonna make it work. It looks like a powder, like if you're really light. That's the highlight, and this is the lip gloss. Y'all really can't tell. Hold on, let me use my flashlight. That's the lip gloss. Really sparkly. And that's the highlight, baked highlighter. I don't know. But yeah, that's my whole video basically. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, like, subscribe. I mean, who am I talking to when I say that? I don't know, but bye! So after I finished filming that, I looked in the mirror and you can kind of see the highlight. It's very natural. So if you like that, go ahead and get that product. And here's the lip again. Can't really tell, but yeah. This is it. I'm done. I'm not going to put any of this in the video watch.